Hi, this is Rachel and welcome to my ePortfolio Knowledge Attributes tab. So for my first knowledge attribute, which is an ability to apply knowledge of mathematics, physical sciences, engineering sciences to the practice of chemical engineering, I have two artifacts in my ePortfolio and it was posted there in order to support my claim that I have this type of ability. So for my first artifact, it shows a picture of me conducting experiments in the laboratory wherein I was able to apply knowledge of physical sciences and engineering sciences such as the ability to titrate and knowledge on more on the chemistry side knowledge. Now for my second artifact, it includes a picture of me taken during our reporting and equipment design course. Here I was able to apply knowledge also of mathematics, physical sciences, and engineering sciences for computing for the parameters and for the design of my assigned equipment, which is the stripping column. So for my second knowledge attribute, which is an understanding of the effects and impact of the chemical engineering profession on the environment and the society, as well as the social and ethical responsibilities of the profession. So for my first attribute, I have there a photo of me taken at the Calorega Church in Batangas, wherein I'm looking at a very beautiful view of the nature. Now here, now in this artifact, I was able to show my concern for the environment, and as a future chemical engineer, I know in myself that I have that obligations to protect it and join events and activities as well as to ensure that these beauty of nature will be protected despite the fast advancement in our technology nowadays. Now for my second artifact, I have posted there a photo of me together with my friends taken during the coastal cleanup in Lemery, Batangas. Now as a future chemical engineer, it is also my obligation to ensure that I will be able to join activities such this in order to maintain the beauty of the nature. Now this proves that I value my soon-to-be profession's effect in our environment and society. So for my third knowledge attribute, which is a specialized knowledge in at least one field of chemical engineering practice and the ability to apply such knowledge to provide solutions to actual problems. Now for this attribute, I have posted two artifacts in my ePortfolio, and for my first artifact, this shows my quiz in statistics and in engineering economics, and in here you can see that I was able to obtain quite high scores, and this somehow proved that I have quite specialized knowledge in this field of chemical engineering. Now for my second artifact, a photo was posted and it was taken during my industry immersion days at the Coca-Cola FEMSA Philippines last May 2014. Now here I was assigned to do some checking of the machines, which requires knowledge of statistics, and since we were getting samples of the product, we have to apply some mathematics. Now this proves that I was able to apply such knowledge in this field, which might be such help to the company. So for my fourth knowledge attribute, which is understanding of professional and ethical responsibility, I have posted there two pictures again as my artifacts. And for my first artifact, it shows a picture taken during our ethics class, and we were able to understand our professional and ethical responsibility as a future Tomasian chemical engineer. And for the second artifact, this that photo was taken during my reporting in our ethics class, and there I was talking and reporting about the chemical engineering laws that was assigned to me, and that proved that I was able to understand my professional and ethical responsibility as a future Tomasian chemical engineer. So, for my fifth knowledge attribute, which is the knowledge and understanding of engineering and management principles as a member and leader in a team and to manage projects in multidisciplinary environments. Now for this attribute, another two photos was posted again as my artifact to support that I have this kind of attribute. So for the first photo, it was taken during our plant design defense, and in this event, I was able to understand management principles as a member of our team. I was also given a task as the head safety engineer of our group, wherein I have to manage certain projects and certain reports about the safety of the plant, um, even in multidisciplinary environments. Now for my second artifact, this photo was taken during our interview with the SP Pleasant Packaging Company. Now this shows that I was able to apply management principles even if I was just a member of the team, and especially in the interview in a different environment other than our classroom.